Now in this activity, we're going to do some algebra. And when people hear the word algebra, they sometimes get a little bit stressed about maths. But I'd like to show you how we can make it really fun for our students. Now I have a box, and in my box is a number, but I cannot show you because it is my mystery box. What is inside my mystery box? I don't know, but we do have a clue. Now, on my Lego Braille Bricks base plate, I have the double number system, so I'm keeping everything up in capitals or in number lock, as I like to say. And I have this mystery box, and what is going to be inside it? We don't know, but we have a clue. The box plus 2 equals 7. All right, so the box plus 2 equals 7. So this is the beginning of algebra. Now, we don't know what's in the box, but it's too hard to hold the box here. So we can represent it either by using an X or a Y. So we can choose one or the other of those. Now, I will tell the students we do have the double number lock, but this is a variable, so we're just going to put that there for now. Okay, and sometimes we do need to tell them, we need to explain what it is, but it helps to make sense. Now, this activity is actually very useful for all of our students in our classroom. So we have 7, okay, and we have the mystery box, and the mystery box plus 2 equals 7. How are we going to work this out? Now, algebra is like having a balance scheme, and if you have 1 on one side, it must be on the other, and I am demonstrating using a rod, and it is going up and down. But in algebra, we need to have it balanced. So if we do something to one side, we've got to do it for the other. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to isolate the y. So I want to find out what y is. And it's here, it's got y plus 2. So I'm trying to work out what it is, plus 2. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 2, because if I've got plus 2 and I take away 2, I have 0. But if I do that, it's not going to be equal. So I have to do the same to the other side. So I'm going to take away 2 from here. So I'm going to take away 2, okay? But that means I also have to take away 2 from the other side. So 7 take away 2 is 5. Okay, so I'm going to take away 2 from both sides, and I have 5. Let's just check if this makes sense. I had 7 altogether, and y plus 2 equals 7. So y plus 5. So that's looking good so far. Let's have a look. And the number is 5 in my mystery box. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make algebra fun. What I love about the Lego Braille Bricks for algebra is that students can manipulate, because when they're using a Perkins Brailler, I've seen some students braille out this equation, and by the time they've finished brailing out the equation, they've kind of forgotten what was there, and they've had to do the next line, and it just becomes so complex. There's a lot of cognitive load on the student when they're doing algebra. But by using the Lego Braille Bricks, students are actually able to manipulate and to feel the numbers and to be able to explore what those numbers can be. So that's why I love using the Lego Braille Bricks for algebra.